Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your numeracy class. Today we will be taking the third lesson of week number 6. So, who is going to tell me what we did in yesterday's class? Yes, hurry up. Let's quickly revise that and then we will start with a new topic. Yes, what we did, we talked about. Yes, we practiced use of number line and finding the missing numbers. Excellent. And in the class before yesterday, we talked about how we can identify one missing number from the number line. And in yesterday's class, we practiced how we can identify or find two missing numbers, right? Okay. So the practice that you have done was only the numbers were only from 0 till 10, right? Okay. So have you guys practiced that at your home? Is there any confusion, any question? No? Okay. So let's quickly take a small quiz or a recap of that and then we will move forward. Okay. So here is a number line in front of you. Okay. And you are supposed to tell me what are the two numbers that come after 3. Yes. Who is going to tell me? Hurry up. Raise your hands. Okay. Yes, Vase. What are the two numbers? What was the first step? That we find that how many where it is located, right? So where is 3 located on number line? Over there. Excellent. Okay, so now what are the two numbers that come after 3? They are 4 and 5, right? Okay, so the two numbers are 4 and 5. And similarly, if I ask it in the other way, that what are the two numbers that come before 5, so you will again identify the location of 5, right? You will first identify where is the number which is given is on the number line, and then you will find the numbers which are before or after that, whatever the question says. So the two numbers before 5 are 4 and 3, and I told you that you would be following the same order like the numbers are written over there. First come 3 and then 4, so you cannot write 3 and 4 like this, right? This would be an incorrect order. So the correct order is that you will first write 3, then 4, and 5 is already mentioned. Got it? Okay, so we have already practiced that. In today's class we will be revising a new topic, that is ascending and descending order. So tell me, how many of you have heard this term? Hurry up, raise your hands. How many of you have heard this term before? Okay, and can you tell me what does ascending means? Ascending means go up. Excellent. And descending means go down. Excellent. Okay, so ascending and descending. Ascending means go up, so this means the arrow would be like this, and descending means go down like this. So what is the understanding? What type of understanding or what you get from these terms? Let's say I have told you this as well, that ascending means go up and descending means go down. So what does it mean by go up and go down? In case of numbers, let's say there are 5 numbers which are given to you. The numbers are 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, and someone asks you to please write it down in descending order. So you already know that descending means going down, but what does it means with when we are writing numbers? How will you write numbers by in case of going down? Yes, can anybody tell me what does it mean by going down in numbers? Very well done. That we will be starting with the highest number and then we will be moving toward the lowest. So if somebody asks me to write it down in the descending order, I'll be starting from first. I will identify what is the highest number in the numbers which are given below. So the highest number in this case is 13, right? So I'll start writing from 13. Then what is the lowest number from 13? It's 11. Then I'll write 11. What comes before that? It's 9. What comes before that? It's 7. And then finally there would be 5. Got it? So we will write it down in this way, that descending means we will start from the highest number and we will move toward the lowest number. Okay. How many of you get confused between ascending and descending, or how many of you forget that what was ascending means, or should I start writing from highest number or should I start from lowest number? There is this simple tip for you guys. If you look at these alphabets, A comes before D in English alphabets, right? So A is the small alphabet. Got it? So ascending means you will start from the smallest number and then you will move toward the highest one. And D is, yes, D comes after A in English alphabet. So D is comparatively bigger than A. So this means we will start from the highest number and then we will move toward the lowest one. Got it? This is a technique. In D, you will start from the highest number and then you will move toward the lowest. And in ascending, you will start from the smallest number and then you will move toward the highest one. Now, I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video for you that will help you understand this concept in a better way. Do let me know if it is, if the screen is visible to you or not. Just wait a second. Okay, is it visible to you? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, good.
Ascending and descending order. I'm climbing the stairs. The numbers are going up. That is ascending order. Now let's see. 1 goes up to 2, to 3, to 4, and to 5. The numbers are increasing. Now let's see what is ascending order. Wow, it's difficult to climb the stairs down. The numbers are going down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5. And I climbed the boxes down. Now Sarah is going down. 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was ascending order and descending order.
Okay, so you have seen a video as well, which has helped you to understand this concept in a better way. Now, open your books. This is on page number 26. This is your book, page number 26, and that there is a letter is made, right? And it says that ascend means to go up and descends mean to go down, right? Okay, descends and down. This is also a tip that you can use, that descends mean D and down both starts with D. So you can, this means that you will start from the highest number and then you will go down, right? And ascending means going up. So you will start from the smallest number and then you will go up. Okay. So what does it say? This frog is descending or going down, and this frog is ascending or going up. You have seen that in the same picture. This is a small activity in which there is a frog, and this one it is going down, so it is basically descending, and this one is going up, so it is ascending, right? The stairs. And beside that, have you mentioned what is this on the bottom of the page? What is this? This is a number line. Excellent. Okay, so because we were discussing the topic, which is which was we in yesterday's class we talked about the use of number line. So can anybody tell me how we can use number line in ascending and descending order? Yes. Okay, let's see. You are given with four numbers, which are this, right? And somebody asks you to please write them down in ascending order. So what you can do, you can draw a number line for you, right? You can draw a number line for you, then you will find out. Let's say somebody asks you to write it down in descending order. Descending means that you will be starting from the highest number and then you will move toward the lowest. So in order to identify which is the highest number, you will draw a number line and then you will see that 9 is the highest number. So you will write 9. What comes before that, then you will identify 5. So 5, similarly then 3, and then 1. So number line can be a helping hand for you while solving anything, right? So we discussed about how we can use the number line to find the missing numbers. We have also discussed how we can use the number line in, let's say, writing the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this small activity that you are supposed to do. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you. It is. Okay, excellent. So write the numbers in ascending order. The first one is already solved for you. Who is going to tell me what is the answer of second one? Yes, 38 to 43. 38. What does ascending means? Going. Okay, going up, then 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and then 43. Excellent. Okay, Aliza, you tell me about the fourth one, that is 16 to 26. What would be the answer of that? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, then 21, then 22, then 23, then 24, 25, and finally 26. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to share the next one with you, which is a practice exercise for descending order, and this time Abdullah will answer me first. Yes, Abdullah, tell me the answer of the third one, that is from 36 to 31. How will you write them down? You will start from 36 to 31. 36, excellent. And then 36, 35 in a reverse order, right? Then 34, 33, 32, and 31. Very well done. Okay, Sarah, you tell me about the last one, 33 to 28. From where you will start? 33. Excellent. And what would be the numbers? 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, and 28. Excellent. Okay, class, that was all for today. What we practiced, we talked about ascending and descending order, and hope you guys have understood it very well. If there is any confusion, any question, you can ask me. What is your home assignment that you are supposed to practice this at your home? Randomly write some numbers, use number line for as well as a helping hand, and then practice writing numbers in both ascending and descending order. Okay, so share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.